A while back, Gurgaon-based company Ring Bell announced the world's cheapest smartphone, Freedom 251, for just a price tag of 251 rupees. Many believe that it's a scam because it's quite hard to believe that you can even get a smartphone for just a price tag of 251 rupees. And ironically, it turned out to be true as a scam. But if that were too good to be true, then Bangalore-based company Namatel wants us to change the way we think about cheap smartphones by offering world's true cheapest smartphone for just a price tag of 99 rupees INR or just under $2 US. Is it not a scam this time, or is it a cheap way of marketing? Let's find out. But before we do, my name is Jonathan, this is TechTeachers, and this is Namatel Achadin smartphone, or world's true cheapest smartphone. Let's get started. Namatel, the Bangalore-based company, wants us to give the cheapest smartphone on earth. But if you go into the company's website, the website says that it is the cheapest smartphone of India. Yes, perhaps because it runs under the government's Make in India project. And the smartphone is manufactured and designed in India smartphone, but still you can get a smartphone for just 99 rupees. That's too good to be true, cause the specifications that the smartphone comes with, such as a 4-inch HD display. Yes, you're getting an HD display with a 4-inch screen size, 1 GB of RAM, a 2 megapixel rear camera, and a 0.3 megapixel front facing shooter with 4 gigs of inbuilt storage. Powering it all up is a 1325 mAh battery which runs on Android 5.1 Lollipop. It's quite funny that you can't even get a 4 GB SD card for 99 rupees and you're getting an Android smartphone. Here where the things get complicated, cause if you think by a common man's point of view, it's quite hard or even impossible to get a smartphone for that brilliant price. But remember, if you take all this into consideration and believe it as a scam, then let me tell you that the government is providing subsidy on this smartphone. And if you take the name of the company, Namatel, where N stands for Narendra and Mo stands for Modi, so it can't be denied, because PM Modi's vision of providing digital India may become true with this smartphone. So we cannot deny the fact. And now, if you are actually convinced by the smartphone or by my video, then coming to the second part of the video of how to buy the 99 rupees smartphone, you need to visit not one but two. Yes, I said two websites. First of all, you need to go to bemibanker.com, where you need to register all the address or whatever that details, personal details over there. Then go to the official Namatel website and follow some few steps, and then finally choose COD, cash on delivery, as a payment method. So you don't need to worry and don't need to pay them before the product reaches you, and you can pay when the product reaches at your home. But we don't guarantee that you can get the product, as many will obviously try to buy the amazingly priced 99 rupees smartphone. But the company will charge you a nominal price as per shipping charges. So actually the 99 rupees smartphone costs you almost 300 rupees. But still, try your luck. If you get the product, that's your luck. So as always, that pretty much winds up the video. Hopefully enjoyed the content. If you did, and feel like the one who's standing in the midi sun day and staring into the camera, make sure to crack that like button. And if you thought this video sucked, don't forget to give me a thumbs down and let me know in the comments down below what you didn't like, so that I can come with a good one for the next time. And if you thought this video was good and you really appreciate it, go ahead and get subscribed. Until then, this has been Jonathan from TechTeachers, reminding you that my next video of Sony MH750 stereo headphones review is coming. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.